Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today here we are with another ROA concept that can give full all-rounding concept on few coins, guys. So it's going to be great video, guys. So without any hesitation, let's get into the video, guys. Today's topic is going to be the all-rounding ROA concept, Bullstake. Hope you all heard about, but maybe it's a new launching project. Just it's launching one by one, guys. So BNB is already launching. So this is the official website of Bullstake. I just connected in Trust Wallet. I just opened the Trust Wallet and I just connected. So 18 hours more to launch Matic coins, guys. Okay, I'll show you Bullstake. Okay, this is the official page. So it's a multi-chain staking protocol. Okay, multi-chain. We have few options to multi-chain. Okay, multi-chain staking protocol. Okay, like Ethereum, Harmony, Polygon, Binance, Avalanche, Phantom. Okay, this much of coin, one native token we can stake here. Okay, that much of we are getting low yield income to high yield income. Okay, we can choose the option which one we need. Okay, and Bullstake is different, low RA for short plans and other safety mechanisms to prevent the contract. Okay, and high yield to give huge profit to the investors. Okay, so highs BNB is already launched. Okay, global metrics. So right now BNB balance is $59,110. Okay, total staked $66,517. Total investments made 163, guys. Okay, so BNB is launched. So one is on the way to launch, guys. Okay, one is not at launch. Matic is also about to launch. AVAX, Ethereum, FTM. Okay, these all coins are about to launch. Here the things are given. Only BNB is launched. You can now deposit BNB, FTM launching. Okay, launching on today. BNB FTM is launching on today at 8 p.m. UTC, followed by Matic launch 24 hours after. Okay, Bullstake network changes automatically when you change network on MetaMask. Okay, MetaMask or Trust Wallet, if you change the network, it will change. Try it and witness the magic. Okay, try it and witness the magic. These are all the things they said by things. So BNB is launched and other things are on the way. Okay, so this is low ROA packages. Okay, so low ROA package gives you a considerable return on your investment. The profit won't be huge, but the funds can be withdrawn every 24 hours. Okay, for low ROA packages, the profit will be medium. Okay, less profit will be less, but you can withdraw every 24 hours. Okay, this is the 10 days ROI, guys. Okay, 10 days ROI you are getting 130%. Okay, 10 days ROI you are getting 130%, and the withdrawal withdrawal tax is 20%, guys. Okay, you have to keep in mind withdrawal tax is 20%. Okay, so here 10 days in low ROI you are getting 130%. Okay, 20 days low ROI you are getting 200%. Okay, and 30 days low ROI you are getting 252%. Okay, but all here 20% withdrawal tax is available, so don't forget. Okay, so this is the next one, high ROI packages. Okay, high ROI packages provide a high return on your investment. You will be able to withdraw your profit after the staking period over or mature. Okay, for high ROI packages, you will be getting high investment, you will be getting high returns. Okay, but only you can withdraw your funds only the mature period is over. Okay, like if you are staking for 10 days, after 10 days only you can withdraw. If you are staking for 20 days, then after 20 days only you can withdraw. If you are staking for 30 days, after 1 month only you can withdraw. That's the concept, guys. Okay, so 10 days high ROI you are getting 159%. Okay, so withdrawal tax is 20%, don't forget. Okay, so 20 days high ROE is 366%, guys. Okay, so here the difference is withdrawal tax is 13%. Okay, and 30 days high ROE is you are getting 906% guys. Okay, so in this 30 days high ROE one, if you are investing, okay, if you are investing $100, okay, you will be getting $900 in 30 days guys. Okay, that's what the difference. So in this high ROI platform, withdrawal tax is 11%. Okay, withdrawal tax is less. Okay, so this is what the thing. So in this platform you can stake any of the coin. Okay, BNB, Matic, Fund, FTM, Ethereum, whatever which coin you want to stake, you can stake here. Okay, so deposit earnings. Okay, this is my account balance, it's showing here. So I'm not using here, I'm just investing with MetaMask guys. Okay, so this is my referral link. Okay, this is my referral link. I'll copy the referral link and I'll share in the description. Okay, these all the things. So my total referral reward, total referral, and everything is given here. Okay, so about Bullstake. Okay, Bullstake frequently asked questions, lot of the things are given here. Okay, so read all the related documents guys. Okay, and check it out. Okay, so solid proof, flow trade, dab trader, BS, everything is given here. Okay, these are the partners of them. Okay, so we will come back. Okay, this is the thing. By clicking on 3 line, you will be getting. Okay, this is the thing. Audit report is available here. Okay, white paper, KYC'd, how to invest. If you don't know how to invest, just click on how to invest and check it out guys. Okay, Telegram is available here, Discord and Twitter. Okay, all the things are available here. Okay, Telegram, Twitter, everything is available here. I'll check with the Twitter guys. Okay, I'll check with the Twitter, so no problem guys. Right now BNB is launched. Okay, and one Matic, AVAX, Ethereum, FTM is on the way to launch guys. Okay, so here you all know, everything is low ROE plan to high ROE plan is available. Okay, for everything 20% withdrawal tax is available. Only high plans you are getting less withdrawal tax. Okay, so here just how much you want to add BNB or whatever it is, how much you want to add, you can click here and you can add it and click on deposit. Okay, so it will directly load, so you can directly deposit. Okay, that's what the thing guys. Okay, so example, I'll show you with an example. Okay, 0.05, click on deposit. Okay, it will load and it will go to the next page. Okay, like that you can deposit your BNB or which coin you want to deposit, and you can stake guys. Okay, so this is what the thing. Okay, so all the details I shared here. Okay, so I'll check the Twitter page right now guys. Okay, come back. Right now we will check the Twitter page. Okay, Twitter. Okay guys, this is the official Twitter page of Bullstake. Okay, right now 3k followers is available, and audited and KYC'd low to high yield native token staking protocol on multi-chain with intensive safety measures. Stake BNB 1 FTM AVAX MATIC Ethereum guys. Okay, it's all you can stake in a single place. Okay, crossed 100 BNB in 15 minutes. Okay, BNB is launched already staking, so it's crossed 100 BNB in 15 minutes guys. Okay, so this is what the contract address they are given here. Right now 103 BNB 5 years before guys. Okay, we just launched on Binance. You can now stake your BNB. Okay, I'm up with Bullman in 25 minutes. Okay, AMA is also going, so join the Telegram and just check it out guys. Okay, so these are the contract links for bull staking. Okay, Ethereum, BNB, Matic, FTM, AVAX 1, all the contract links are shown here. Okay, so check it out guys. Okay, check it out, all the details, and this is the Twitter page officially, so check it out guys. Check it out, all the details, and do your own research guys. Okay, that's what I used to suggest. Okay, so this is the page guys. Okay guys, so don't forget, just do your own research, and I hope in this platform you can turn $100 to $900 in 30 days guys. Okay, so that much huge profit is given here, so don't miss it out. just do your own research before getting to any project, then invest with your own risk, guys. Okay, and you can make huge profit in this Bullstake, guys. It's a new launching project, beginning stage. You can make huge profit, guys. Okay, so don't forget, just do your own research, check all the related documents, and make count of it and invest it and make profit within 30 days, guys. Okay, so guys, we'll see you in another great video. This Bullstake is gonna crazy in 1 month, and you can make huge profit, guys. Okay, turn $100 to $900 in just 30 days. Okay, turn $1,000 into $9,000. Okay, you can, and that much of potential is available, guys. Okay, so don't forget, we'll see you in another great video, guys. Thank you so much. Bullstake crazier ever, guys.